Hi, how are you doing? In this video, we're going to discuss the steps for our final project, designing posters using Photoshop patterns. First of all, we're going to open Photobee. We're going to use Photobee instead of Photoshop, as most of us are using Photobee. We're going to find a videos explaining the same steps in Photoshop, attach it to the assignment of submitting final projects on Google Classroom. After opening Photobee, we're going to create a new project from File, click New. Change the width of your project to be 100 and the height to be 100. The background will be transparent. Click Create. Now we need to zoom in using Control plus. Okay. If we need to zoom out, we can use Control minus. Then we're going to create guides from View, create guides, and guides are two axes, vertical and horizontal axis, that will divide our document in half. That's why we're selected 50% for horizontal and 50% for vertical. Click OK. In this video, we're gonna use shapes to create our patterns. We already created patterns using images, and in your project you need to create at least different 4 patterns. Okay, one in image, one in shapes, one in custom shapes, and the 4th one will be anything you like, but make sure that your project contain a pattern made of image, one made of shapes, one made of custom shapes. Okay, then we're going to mix and match as we're gonna see later on. Here we already had a video explaining how to create a pattern using images in Photobee and in Google Classroom. The videos will be posted as well to Google Classroom assignment. Click here on the shapes. Okay, we're having rectangle, ellipse, line, and custom shape. I'm gonna select custom shape. And before drawing, selecting your shape from here, okay, we need to change the type of the shape to be pixels. Okay, we can create patterns only out of shapes with type pixels, so make sure before drawing you changed the shape type into pixels. From custom shapes drop down menu, select any shape you need and make sure that you changed the type of the shape to be pixels. Again, click here. Okay, we're going to select the star. Okay, place your mouse here in the middle, hold Alt and Shift and start drawing your shape. We need to move the shape to the middle, so unlock the background. Okay, and select Move tool. Move your shape to the middle. Okay, lock the background again, right click and duplicate layer, select the new layer. Now we need to repeat our shape using the offset from filter, offset, other, offset. Change the horizontal to be 50 and the vertical to be 50. Why did we choose 50 and 50? We need to divide our document and repeat the pattern in half. So our document original size was 100 by 100, so have 50%, and for the horizontal it will be 50 and for the vertical it will be 50. Click OK. Last step, defining the pattern from edit, define new pattern. Okay, pattern added. To use our pattern, we're going to create a new file from file, new. Now the size will be 1000 for the width and the height will be 1000. I need a white background. Click create. Then we're going to create a new layer to place our pattern on. From here, new layer. Selecting the new layer, click here, new adjustment layer, pattern fill. Select needed pattern from here. Okay, this one. What if we need to change the color of the background? So select the background. So select the background here. Move to new adjustment, color. Double click and select the new color you need. Okay. If we need to change the color of the stars, we're going to select layer 1 and new adjustment, color fill, change the color from here. Okay, I didn't select. Okay, right click, clipping mask. Now we added the green color to the stars. Now we created only one pattern. For your project, you need to create at least 4 different patterns, okay? Make sure to select custom shape, image, and basic shapes. Then, for example, we're going to mix and match them in artistic shapes. So from shapes, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Place the rectangle here. Okay, and Control J, okay, to create another rectangle, and Control J to copy the layer of the rectangle, and using the move tool, move the new layer here. Select the layer from here, then double click on the shape layer, shape 1 layer. From here, pattern overlay, we're going to select any pattern, okay, definitely after creating it. Okay, and the other one, double click, pattern overlay again. Okay, I'm gonna select a different pattern and so on. You can draw a shape and fill a shape. You can draw a custom shape and fill it with any pattern. Mix and match, go creative. I know you can create something better than I did. Okay, waiting to see your projects. Thank you so much. Just a second, at the end you need to save your design by clicking File, Export as JPG or BNG. Any of them. Click JPG, save. It will be downloaded to your PC. Attach the final product to Google Classroom. Thanks for watching.